Hi.
Hi, we are the Paladins, and this is our Singapore rendition of Payphone. We are doing this for the territorial challenge for students. Hi, 1, 2, 3.
I'm at Lau Pa Sat eating my satay, all my curry I save for you. Ordering taping, liking my ice cream, staining my shirt until tells me tissue. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember where you put your money. We can't top out our link, we can't go anywhere. So our plans just got cancelled. So tell me where's Esplanade? Is it by MBS or is it just along the bay? I've wasted money going through ERP towards CBD at Tanjong Pagar, gobbling down prata. Now I'm still lapar, so let's go makan. I'm at Lau Pa Sat eating my satay, all my curry I save for you. Ordering taping, licking my ice cream, staining my shirt, auntie sells me tissue. If the MRT were to break down, how do we even go back home to town? Even with these laws in Singapore, we will love you now and evermore. We love Singapore.
Bye bye.